You know how in video games you sometimes borrow power-ups? Well, in the real world, once you hit 18, you can borrow a bit of your parents' financial mojo.
Let's get at it.
Yep, adding their income to your credit card application can give you that little boost you need to get started. Just make sure to pay them back in chores.
Did you know that if you're 18 years or older and you only had a McDonald's income, that you could use mommy and daddy's income on your credit card application to get you approved for a higher credit limit? So if you don't live with mommy or daddy and you're actually married, you have a spouse, you can use the spouse's income to add to your income to increase the household income to get a higher credit limit from your application.
So, you've got that shiny new credit card, and you're tempted to just pay the minimum and treat yourself to that extra latte. But beware.
Never make the minimum payment on your credit card bill. You're giving a clear indications to your future and current lenders that you cannot afford the bill and you can't take on any more money. Think about it. You can't get a credit limit increase if you're already showing them you can't handle the money that they already gave you. So, never ever make the minimum payment, and if you find yourself in a position that you have to make the minimum payment, just call me. I got the file for you, but you're gonna owe me $7. Let's get
Okay, now that you're armed with a credit card and avoiding financial pitfalls, what's next? Dive into these 3 life hacks.
1. Get a mentor. You can learn from their experiences and save yourself a lot of mistakes along the way. 2. Network. Get out your shell. There's a lot of like-minded people that's waiting to connect with you. Not to mention, some of my biggest deals came from doing business with strangers. 3. Invest in stocks. You don't have to be an expert. The stats show that the prices of these major company stocks have only risen over the years. So buy and hold. Play the long-term game.
So, strap in, level up, and let's take the financial world by storm. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to get rich for sure. Let's get at it.